Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn cookies and session. So basically what is cookies? Cookies basically browser property, right? And this cookies save inside like browser. Suppose you go to application and inside the application you see the cookies and here is like saving the cookies. Basically cookies have like three things. One is cookie name and second one cookie value. Third one is timing. Basically sometimes you are hitting any website. So website how can understand you are first time customer or repeated customers and so many hitting on websites, right? Another browser. So system easily understand what customer is fresh customer, what is customer is old customer, right? We can take from in this example, right? This is cookie and cookie name is the name of the and cookie value is the return customer and duration is 1 day, right? So we can start from here, right? We can here PHP, right? And the file name is cookies.php. Okay, is not okay. Now is set. The cookie is set. The value is written customer. So okay, we can refresh the page, right? Right. You can see this. This is the cookie name, right? And this is the value. The duration is this. Expiry. You can easily see the expiry. Expiry is 1 day. After 1 day, this cookie has been expired, right? Basically, this is cookies, and you can store in browser, right? And this cookie is basically used for suppose you are checking set some data behalf of cookies, right? Suppose e-commerce websites need to be like set data from some specific customers for business intelligence, entering the browser some data and retrieving and suggest some behalf of cookies, right? So this is using for cookies. And same thing is session. So basically session is like temporary number. We can suppose you are going to amazon.com, right? So I'm easily explaining amazon.com, right? Amazon.com, and you can view any product, right? From here you can open any product and you can add to cart. Suppose here is available any product. Open any product and click it to add to cart. So now is generating one session for your and your you can any activity or any add to cart system, the everything is stored in your session. So basically the session is temporary identification of customer, that customers all activities customer add to cart, add to wish list, so all activities is stored in session. So easily identify the customer activities in browser. So definitely we will learn about the more about the session in upcoming projects, right? So this is like cookie and session. If you have any query, any doubt about cookie and session, you can comments me. I definitely revert, and please don't forget subscribe my channel.